paw. New gloves?
Yeah. Hello.
Good boy.
Hello.
Good boy.
What's up, folks? We're back on the bikes. Say hi. It's been a while since we've been on the bikes.
Yep.
Haven't really made a moto vlog in a while. So we'll get ready for him. It's about that time again.
Yep. Good weather. Like what? 7 right now, and it's still kind of warm.
Yeah, it's about 7:30 by the looks of the sun. But and it's still pretty warm out.
Yeah.
So,
I got a new jacket.
yep, she did.
You can really feel like the air through these little vent things, so it's pretty nice.
She ain't sweaty and nasty anymore.
We're missing Robbie and Maddie.
We are.
Where they at, though? Where they at?
I don't know if you guys seen her pink wheels yet either. I don't think we've really
Oh,
made a
that's
video.
right. We're painted in pink.
Yeah, painted them pink. Hell. Around August, I'd say.
And then we put some gloss over on top of it.
Yeah, I put what do you call it? 2K clear coat, so it really makes it pop. Really makes it shiny. Then later on, you'll see we put some lights on there as well, so you can see her at night.
That's right. There's not much people out today.
Right.
They explode the fire!
I'm probably at home drunk.
Yep.
Shit, that's every day. It ain't every day around here.
Right? But yeah, I'm excited. We're almost done with the car.
We are almost done with the car.
I feel like maybe sometime next week we'll probably take it to go get it too.
Yep, like it's that close, finally.
And I just ordered a camera, like a 360 camera we can use when we ride around, I guess, like Motovlog. So I can't wait till that comes in.
Yep.
So that'll be in our next video as well. So stay tuned.
That'll look cool.
Yeah, I think so too. You can literally put it anywhere on the bike and you'll still see everything.
Yeah. And use it for racing too on cars.
Yeah. Basically anything.
Yeah.
Like on a bicycle. I don't know.
Put it on turbo.
Straight.
Yeah. Imagine putting it on turbo all day.
Right. The only thing that I have to buy batteries for that as well.
Yeah. We gotta buy more batteries for GoPro too. And camera. Oh.
Go for it.
You go.
Go.
I want to see you go.
I'm still not good with curves. Scared. And maybe I can like, you know how people like scoot on like off the side of the seat? Do you think that'll help or no?
I mean, it does, but all it does is help keep from the bike leaning. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It looks cool, though.
Yeah. I swear mine don't sound that loud.
It is.
But yeah, we've been getting a pretty decent amount of subscribers, so thank you to the new subscribers.
True that. We're halfway to 1,000.
Road to 1,000 subscribers! Let's go! Okay.
Yeah? Where are we going?
I don't know. I'm just going. And if we didn't have to work, we'd probably be putting out more videos, but
Ain't that the truth? Too damn tired to edit videos and make videos.
yeah. Cruise by the carnival?
Yeah, we can.
Damn.
Damn, everybody's
Right.
like, where did us go?
Facts though, it's lit nice.
Yeah.
It's crazy because I'm pretty sure people that are here right now probably already been here, so
Yeah.
it's like, I don't know, it's just to hang out.
That would have been me as a kid.
Just to come hang out.
Come hang out, run around, and cause some ruckus.
Yeah, but you old man now.
Yeah, old man can't do that no more. Go walk around one time and time to go home. Go play my shooting game and my goldfish game and out of there.
It's pretty crazy how a lot of people just like around Gallup, well, not around Gallup, but outskirts of Gallup
Oh yeah, true.
come here and make Gallup look big, I guess.
Make Gallup big, especially for like this and then like on the weekends too.
Yeah.
Oh, freak out.
That's so weird because I was just looking at it again the side. That was a lot of people.
For real.
Should we?
Fuck it.
I'm scared. Hey. Oh my god.
Panda working? Nope. No Panda.
He's probably home right now waiting for us.
Yeah. Are you Panda? Are you at home waiting for us?
Yep. Yep.
Panda, hello.
He's like, what the shit? Hey!
Hi.
Hi!
Hi.
I love you!
I love you.
Why?
Say why?
Yeah?
Well, duh, because you're just so awesome.
Stop looking at me. Stop! Like, actually not that cold.
purchase. You got
Let's go this one. Let's
competition.
go this one.
Okay.
There's always a lot of people now.
All right.
Your voice cracking. Are you trying to play it off?
No, I done it on purpose.
Liar.
Liar.
It's crazy because no one thinks we're having a full ass conversation and
Right.
I think we're just sitting here.
True
Awkward.
that.
But they want to get like a face mask thing. I don't know what they're called.
Helps, especially helps in the winter time when it starts getting cold.
No, I think it just looks cool.
Fuck, my ear itches. Oh!
Stop! Oh my god, that's too loud. Weirdo. Oh my god, I can smell the carnival! I'm so excited to get that 360 camera.
Oh yeah?
Because we can like see people like how they react when they're like behind us or beside us.
True that. True that.
And like, yeah. They probably won't even know. You know?
Yeah.
Ooh, what's that?
Is that an undercover?
I don't even know.
I think that is. Y'all see it here first, folks.
Is that MJ?
No.
Kidding me right now. Come on, ice cream man. Our big worm.
Oh, shit.
Beep beep.
The big worm.
Okay, guys. We put on some lights on the bike. As you can see. I forgot the brand of it, but it's from Amazon, so.
So is.
Just for safety purposes, we just put lights on. So, but it looks nice. We got 2 lights under here, 2 on the side, then 2 in the back. So that's the same on the other side as well. But yeah, looks good. And then Anthony, I don't know if you can bit some lights.
I'm thinking about it. I don't know. Maybe. Possibly.
But yeah, I'm talking like not close to the camera, so. But yeah, she looks good. So this video's either gonna be a montage or just a vlog through Gallup, I guess.
Yeah.
So.
We're back at the house now. That was just a quick little cruise through town. And yeah.
Yep. Hopefully you liked the video. Comment, share, and subscribe.
Yep. Do that. Pretty please. Anything else?
No.
Well, that's the video. That's that for the video. That'll be pretty soon. Keep an eye out. Alrighty. Peace out, folks.
Okay, bye.